So, Dujuan Richards is another interesting case surrounding the Reggae boy situations. Players who are not playing, players who are looking to make a move and not making a move. Yes, he is one of those interesting situations. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for being here. Really, really appreciate it. So, as it stands right now, no one really know where this Dujuan Richards is at. But apparently, even when you check some of the Chelsea website them for the photographs, him still in an older version of the gear kit, and you have a lot of players who are in a different kit. I haven't featured for the U21, hadn't seen with the U21 training as well. U21 start that got him change their name to I think their name Cobham next gen. I think that's them changing the U21, them change their name to that. But we haven't seen him. I scoured the internet. I watched one of the games them when they play, but only Richards I think it was Lewis Richard. But again, he's not with the U21 team. He's not with the senior team. He's not spotted with the senior the new kids. So the big question is, what is happening with Dujuan Richards? Even recent rumors, or should I say reports coming out that is looking to change management as it stands right now. That's some of the reports that I am hearing. I don't know if you hear it as yet. He's looking to change management, maybe because of the lack of action. And again, 4 days to go, window soon close. Remember, he's 18 years old. He fall in line with the regular transfer window, so which means he has to make a move within that time period. No, at the end of the day, he has to do something. Nations League will come up for Jamaica. I'm very, very sure he would want to be a part of that squad. But no pre-season, not senior training with none of the teams them. So how would that go? How would that go? No, again, one of the key factors here, remember one time we had the Unity Cup? That Unity Cup, if he was a part of the Unity Cup, this would have been a big highlight for him to make a move, because clubs will say, oh, he look fresh, he look fit. We can take a gamble here, we can take a chance here. No one have seen him. No one have seen Dujuan Richards in months. No football in months. Big question has to be right put on the table right there where that is concerned, because there's no way as a youngster at his age he can be afford the opportunity to miss out on so much football. That's very unheard of. And in a situation like that, it's not good. It's really not good for him, for his personal development, because if you're not playing, you're not growing. And again, I keep on saying, in football, for a football player, minutes is currency. The more you play, that's the more minutes you have under your legs, that is currency. That's how your value grows. And at the present moment, he hasn't played in months. He hasn't played competitive football in months, which means rather than its currency growing, it's a decrease. Boy, it's a deteriorate. But again, he's young, still have time, but he has to make a move urgently. And again, maybe that's one of the reasons why the rumors that he's looking to change management, maybe that's one of the reasons for that case. At the end of the day, if he not do something for himself, he's old enough now, can make some stern decision, life making decision. If he not do something for himself, he will just end up fall away to the wayside. He has to do something, and this is very crucial for him. That is the reason why, for me, when Kyle Dixon made the move to Serbia, I was happy. I was very happy for it, because I'm saying that is the move that he should be thinking about in the first place, where he can move incrementally, develop. No, again, Dujuan Richards is a little bit different. The problem is the outlook of things. Stop. I don't think this is an opportunity for him to the situation where he has to worry about what people have to say about him making a move to a lower tier or anything like that. That is nothing. That is garbage right now. That is not something that you should even consider. Making a move, go anywhere to play football, anywhere competitive to play football. A lot of persons, I know people are going to disagree with me where that is concerned. I do believe that, because they're going to say you can't move from Chelsea to go over. No, people, again, in football, minutes is currency. I take it for example, look at Sheikwan Satchel. Look at the move that he's making. Lower level, rise. So till now, he's in our Europe, one of Europe top tier leagues, playing for the clubs them, starting from the top tier clubs them. It's important. Kai Paris as well. It's important to whenever you start, or even if you start high, you have the confidence to go to make a step back, because a setback is not always a setback in life. It's most of the time it's a reset for kick on your career. So these things are very, very crucial now, people. These things are very, very crucial, and he has to think about it and not worry about what people have to say about it. He has to start pick up the mindset that, hey, people say what they want to say. This is my career, and I know the part that I want to take. Football players some of the Jamaican football players have to take their career in their own hands, because at this present moment, at his age, he must be playing football, and he's not. So even if September month end come and he's not selected for the national setup, the same fans them want to complain, say, oh, they're not giving no chance for it. I go come back and say they're not giving no chance. So again, go and play some competitive football and build back yourself, build back your confidence, build back your fitness, just build back everything, and just forget about what people have to say. This is very, very crucial for him, for his career, and what he really, really wants to do. I tell people, again, I tell us, some people, you have people who view things totally different. They're going to say, MG, Lloyd Ball, I'm making money. Think. That's why I'm glad my videos aren't for the general public, people who don't really think critical. I make videos for critical thinkers, people who are going to think about the situation in a diverse manner, in a manner in which they can understand different scenarios, different situations. That's how I do my video. I don't do my video for people who are going to say, I'm on Ball a good man. No, I don't do video for people like that. I don't do video. I don't do it. I do not do it. And me not subscribe to them type of talking. Them the days they done long time. Football has become so meticulous. It vastly past that level of reasoning right now. And we just can't. We shouldn't be accepting it. No, in football, we have to remember that the only place England and the only place for football play. Football is a global sport. It's not only in England. It's not only in England, people, and we have to recognize that. I watch all the Kyle Dixon game, them watch all the Satchel game them. And if you don't know, you have AI score, you have an app named AI score, go on it, click follow the players them and follow the players in club, you will see the games them. Some of the time the games are not show, but AI score, you can find the games them on AI score where you can see the teams them play. So no believe say you can't see the games them. If you can't see the games because you don't want to see the games them. So these players are making a move, they're doing the right trajectory to incrementally grow. Whisper, you have to look at it that way there. Hopefully, the reason why we're not hear or see nothing from you at this present moment is solely because you are in a position right now where you're trying to sort out something for yourself. So I wish you all the best. We're 4 days away. Hopefully, in the next 2-3 days, we hear some good news. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports Ever. Oh, God bless. Boom, outside.